Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunshine and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And yep, I ordered another men's rescue box. And this one cost me $50 and I'm not, well, $49.99. And I'm not sure how many pieces are in it. We'll have to count them at the end. But I want to show you the box. We're going to dive right into it. This is the box. Doesn't seem to be as heavy as the last one I got, but I hope it's as good, if not better. So all I've done is cut it open. I haven't looked inside, so I'm going to open the tissue paper that they put it in. And the first item is packaged in plastic, which makes me think it's new. And I have never heard of this name. Stone Cree. So I have no idea where it's sold or anything else. It's a size medium. It says it was made in Bangladesh. It's just a button down. See the buttons that are buttoned down on the collar, so you know it's a button down shirt. And I can't even tell if it's short sleeve or long sleeve, but at least it's new, so that's not a bad start. Okay. Next item. They roll them all up together, so I'm going to unroll them. Next item, I've never heard of either. It's called A-frame. And it's in a size extra large. And it is this way out there, like brush strokes print, button front shirt, short sleeves, lightweight material. And yeah, I have no idea. Phew. All of them going in the wash. Okay, that's number 2. Looks like they're all shirts, which is a bummer, especially button-down shirts. Okay, this one is sewn for J. Crew. It may be a newer label because it's in cursive and it's an extra large and it's new with tags. And the tag says $65. It's called Secret Wash Shirting. Okay. And it's just a button down. Oh, is it button down? Nope, button front. Long sleeve plaid shirt. I really like the colors of this. It's not showing up on camera, but it's purple. It looks black on camera. It's like purple, green, and white stripes plaid. Geez, I can't talk today. So, maybe 20. I haven't looked up comps on any of these because I haven't looked at the box till now, so. The next one I'm kind of intrigued with. It's Saks Fifth Avenue in a size large. And the reason I'm intrigued with it is it's like paisley. Short sleeve, pullover shirt. Wonder if that button is actually a pocket. Yep. It's got a front pocket. So I don't know, maybe 15 or 20. This could be a really old piece. I don't know. Okay. I see a lot of steaming in my future. A lot. Next item is Panama Jack. Size small. And it's rayon, so it's not silk. And it is a motorcycle print with a little tropical flowers thrown in for good measure. Button front shirt, short sleeves. I kind of like this one because I like the print all over it. Guys seeing the motorcycles? It's pretty cool. So I don't know, maybe 15 to 20 for it. So far you see that this is already paid for the box, these few pieces. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Next item I love, but I picked up something similar to this in Goodwill a few months ago, and it's just sitting. So this is the North Face in a size medium, and it's just your track jacket. And it's branded on the sleeves. I wonder if that says something. Well, at least this will help me look it up. It's the Steep series. And it appears to be in really good condition. Oh, it has thumb holes. Maybe it's a woman's. Maybe I can wear it. What size is it? Medium. Oh, it says men's. I didn't know men's had thumb holes. How cool. Styling. Okay, so it's just this zip front jacket. And I have the other one. I think I started it out at 50 and it's down to 40 and it's still sitting. Do you guys have luck selling North Face jackets? Spoke too soon. This one sold. Moving. I thought they were it was such a great find, but yeah, no. Okay, next item is Eventide size extra large. Never heard of that brand either. And it is like a salmon colored short sleeve t-shirt. Burnout with a front pocket. Doesn't look like anything special, so if I can sell it, maybe 10 bucks. I don't know.
This went out to auction for 77 cents, and that's probably what it's going to go for.
It's sold, or if it brings good money or whatever. This next item is awesome. So far. It's a Majestic size extra large. And it is a jacket, right? Yep. It's a zip front jacket. It's got a W on the front. And the reason I know it's Washington is because it's got Washington on the back. Now, whether or not it's sports or just the state, I don't know. And of course it doesn't say. But it's just an unlined zip front jacket. It says Washington. Have no clue. Okay, I need a Starbucks. Oh. Looks like we're getting into some pants. They're wrapped around each other. Woohoo. Okay. This is by Under Armour. Oh, and here's another thing. Oh, maybe those were Athleta. I don't remember. Okay, I'm talking to myself. Okay, these are Under Armour all-season gear. Size extra large sweatpants or track pants or something. But they have zip pockets. Why do you zip the side pockets? Maybe they're running pants. And they have the elastic drawstring waist. And they're lined in mesh. And I think they're either black or navy blue. I can't really tell. But they have zip cuffs. So I don't know if they're running pants or what, but they are in excellent condition that I can tell so far. So I don't know, maybe 25.
These already sold also.
We have some more pants coming up. I think they put all the shirts together and then all the pants together. I don't know. But the next one, I think is new with tags because it has a sticker on it. Oh, Lord, they're heavy. Ooh, honey, Carhartt. I love me some Carhartt. So these are 35 by 30. Has a tag on it, but no price tag. And these are flame-resistant utility jeans. So it doesn't actually have the size in here. Oh yeah, it does. 35 by 30. Oh, they're heavy. Ugh. For a 35, but they're new with tags. And work pants should sell pretty good, I hope. This is amazing to me that I get new with tag stuff. I mean, these are in excellent condition. It says category 2. It gives me so much. I love these kind that come new with tags, and they have all the tags on them that tells you well, mostly what you need to know to look them up. So I don't know, I'm thinking maybe 30. I have to look up comps on Carhartt. I'm not sure. So far I'm happy. Another new with tags. These are, I've heard of these, but I don't know where they're sold at. And they're new with tags. Oh, Nordstrom Rack. Okay, these are an original penguin by something. I want to say Munsingwear, but... And they are slim fit, size 32, shorts. And they're striped. Got the side pockets and the back pockets. And yeah, I really like that pattern. It's pretty awesome. I don't know about 32 slim fit. They may sit long past summer, but we'll see. So I don't know, maybe 15 or 20. And the next item is another pair of some kind of shorts. These are Avalanche. And I can't remember where that's sold at. Avalanche in a size large. They kind of feel like swim trunks, but I know they're not. And then they have the branding at the cuff. And then they have zip back pockets. So yeah, they're probably not swim trunks. But they are a really cool print. I don't know if this is going to pick up. It's kind of like a zigzag print. But they seem to be in really good condition. And they're really lightweight. I can't wait to look these up to see what they actually are. Because they don't feel anything like golf pants, but who knows. So I don't know, maybe 5 or 10. Ooh, I see something I really like. And it's going to probably be last. Okay, we have another pair of sweatpants. These are Nike Dry Fit in a size small. Here's your Nike. Oh, these are real small. I wonder if these are women's. I don't know, and they have no drawstring at the waist, so they might actually be, because these are really small. Or maybe boys, I don't know. But they look like, oh, they're not even sweatpants. They're like some kind of legging. Some kind of workout legging. And they have the zipper at the cuffs. These kind of, the reason I thought they were sweatpants, they have this elastic waist. Just like sweatpants. Oh, I bet they were supposed to have a drawstring, and they don't. So yeah, hopefully that won't affect it too much. These are in really good condition, and they're really thick. Like a really good material. So I don't know, but it's
These were men's, and they already sold for $20.
Workout gear come January. You know, we all got to make those resolutions that we very rarely keep. Okay. One more item. And this one intrigues me because it has the swordfish on it. And you guys know I picked up that one piece. And it sold fairly quickly. So this is Kirkland Signature size extra large shorts. Or, oh, swim trunks because they're mesh lined. They have the elastic waist and the tie. Whoops, let's not open the fly. And swordfish? Or are those sharks? Geez, swordfish. Oh my God. They are sharks of some kind. Of different kinds. Looks like there might be No, that's a shark. I really like the print though. Those are pretty cool. So I don't know, maybe 15 or 20 on these. And everything was in excellent condition, which was really nice. So let's see what I got in here. I got 3 pairs of shorts, a t-shirt, 5 button-downs, 2 jackets, and a couple pairs of track sweatpants and a pair of jeans. So let me count them up. 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I got 14 pieces for $50. You guys do the math, but it's probably $5 or less. So yeah, I'm really happy with this box. Thumbs up, ThredUp. You did great. I wish I could get in on one of those shoe boxes. That's what I've been trying for, but they're never available when I'm online. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.